Welcome to the Orientation 2 Open Water video. Let's put on our mask and press I to see the first information aid. Information aid 1. Objectives. Check your buoyancy, make a safe descent, go to information aid 2 at the end of the descent line. Tips. To check your buoyancy, you can go to the configuration menu and remove all your weight. When you return to the site, deflate your BCD, then slowly add weight until you begin to sink. For a safe descent, press G to put your mask on, orient the diver horizontally once underwater, and inflate the BCD in small bursts while watching your descent rate indicator. Let's descend to the end of the line. You'll notice the rest of the information aids will appear automatically. Information aid 2. Objectives. Swim to the end of the black and yellow line to information aid 3. Look for bubble credit coins. Press O to see your objectives. Tips. Collect as many bubble credits as possible since you can use them to buy new equipment. Press Q to use the third person view. You can press Ctrl Q and move the mouse to change the position of the camera looking at the diver. Let's continue on the black and yellow line, but keep our eye open for bubble credit coins. I'm going to press Q to test out the third person view. Oh, pretty cool. I wish I had enough bubble credits to buy a different color tank. Let's look around for some. I think that's one there behind the fish. I'll turn my flashlight on to get a better look. Nice, I found a bubble credit. Now let's head back to the line to get to the next information aid. Information aid 3. Objectives. Go to the ascent line in quadrant F3. Tips. Press M to see a contour map of the area. Make sure to stay inside the dive area. Also, watch the virtual dive gear video to learn how to buy new gear and how to use it. Let's turn on our map and head to quadrant F3. What's that on the floor over there? It's a mask. Let's go get it. Information aid 4. Objectives. Go to the ascent line in quadrant F3. Tips. Keep your map open, stay out of the restricted areas, and make sure to stay within your depth limits. Let's continue to F3. Those are some cool looking fish. I see the ascent line. Information aid 5. Objectives. Make a safe ascent to the surface, remembering to make a safety stop at 15 feet. Tips. To make a safe ascent, make sure you're neutrally buoyant. Orient the diver vertically, swim up, use Shift W to swim faster if necessary. Make sure you do not ascend too fast and deflate your BCD while ascending. Let's begin our ascent. You may notice you can only swim slowly and use your stamina quickly. Use bubble credits to purchase better fins if you want to go faster. Information aid 6. Objectives. Establish positive buoyancy by fully inflating your BCD. Review your dive. Now press escape and end dive. On the left you can see your E-dive time, average depth, maximum depth, bubble credits earned, current bubble credits, total E-dive time, and total E-dives. On the right side, you have 4 buttons to review your dive statistics, which will appear on the left. The first is a map of your route showing where you have traveled. The second is your temperature profile, showing the temperature at various times. The third is a nitrogen loading chart showing your nitrogen saturation. And finally, you have your depth profile showing your depth at various times. This concludes our e-diving open water orientation video. Dive safe, e-dive often, and tell your friends about e-diving.